How to change color in Photopea. Hi everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I will be putting you through how you can change color in Photopea. Changing color in Photopea is not difficult. Just follow me as I put it through how to do so in today's tutorial. The first thing to do is to log in into your Photopea account just like I have done here, and then go ahead and click on new project or template depending on what the one that you would love to work with. So once you've selected it, you'll be brought to a page where you would see new project, and then you see template. All right, if you want to work with templates, you can just go ahead and select template. If not, you can just click on create. Okay, whichever one. For me, I'll just be selecting this template, and then once you selected the templates, you'll be brought to the page where you can now edit this templates to fit in into that which you want to do. And then next thing to do for you to be able to change this color is to move to the left side of the screen where you can see, sorry, the right side of the screen where you can see some options, right, such as history, open, layers, channels, path. And then you can see that the text selected elements on this template has been highlighted. The next thing to do is select the element whose color you would want to change. Once you've selected it, you can just double click on it this way, and then once you double click on it, you can see for the text it would be bolding. And then once it's bolding, the next thing to do is to left click on the text element icon by the right side of the screen. Just place your cursor on it this way and then left click on it. Once you've left clicked on it, a box will be displayed. In this box, you will see options such as blending options, select pixels, delete, texturize, etc. The next is to go to the lower part of the screen where you can see color. Alright, and then you select the color that you would like to change the text to. Just select the color that suits you, and then the color would be changed. All right, and for it to change properly, at the top part of the screen you would see the this icon. All right, just click on it and then to tick it, and then just like that the color would be changed. Okay, and then the same thing goes for other text. And for the background, if you want to change the color of the background, all you need to do as well is to let's click on the background this way, and then you see the option color. Then you can now change the color as well, and then let's click properly, or you can just select it the way I just did, and then you can now select a color to change it. So direct and simple. So this is how you can change color on Photopea. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.